For Fountaine-Pajot, we are really proud to work with Volvo Penta in this project, and we believe that we find the perfect partner to finally work on an innovative solution of electromobility on sailing boats, because we know all the knowledge and heritage that Volvo Penta has into innovations and into the passion about all this new idea of electromobility.
Yeah, and we are very happy to work with Fountaine-Pajot because, as you mentioned, the innovation part is important to Volvo Penta, and we feel it's equally important to Fountaine-Pajot. You have a great heritage of innovation in your company, so we're very proud to work with you, and you have a big knowledge of the customer and how they use their boat, which will be very important going forward. So it's very important for the collaboration, I would say.
And for us, the same with Volvo Penta. In this project, we find in all the group of Volvo a lot of experience and a very expertise in how taking care of the electricity, the batteries, and all the communication between all the compartments of this new project. And we really believe this is a key factor in doing something really safe and efficient for our clients, and this is what they expect as well.
And we're learning a lot together here on how to combine the boat as a whole, not separated in different systems, but have a full system and really give the customer all the benefits of an electric driveline going forward. So it's very important from a collaboration point of view too.